Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a virtual card in which you can be able to use in making online payment. So for those of you who are in Nigeria who are finding it difficult to make online payment using your virtual card, this particular card I'm going to be sharing with you will help you to make whatever online payment that you want. So whether you want to pay for Facebook ad, Amazon ad, or you want to make any other transaction online, this card will allow you to make use of it without no limit. And knowing that our Nigerian bank card are being limited, in fact it doesn't work for online payments sometimes, or this particular card virtually work on all platforms and you can be able to make use of it right now. All you just need to do is to stick to the very end, as I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make use of this app and all of that. If you are joining me for the first time, my name is 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. So if you are new on this channel, all you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. Do me a favor by subscribing. That's one way you can be able to show your boy some love, by subscribing so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. So without wasting much time, so the name of the card I'm going to be sharing with you is known as Raven Bank Card. Raven Bank Card gives you the opportunity to make online transaction and all of that. All you just need to do is to use the link in the description and then register. It will take you to the very page where you need to put in all your information and then register and get started. So all you just need to do is to come to your Google Play Store, download the app, and then put in your information that you have used in registering. It allows you to make registration using your email account, your phone number, and then your information, which is your name and other information that you have. Once you have been able to do that, it will take you to the very app. So once you have been able to register and everything, it will appear like this on your phone. But before you do any transaction or deposit into your account, all you just need to do is to ensure that you come down below here where you will see your more. Once you click on the more aspect, you will see where they said your profile. You see your profile and you see your identification verification. All you just need to do is to click on your profile, ensure that you are putting all this information that you have put here, they are all effective and they are working, and that's what you have on your account. Then you come to the verification aspect and click on the verification and ensure that you have been able to put in all the verification, like your BVN verification, your NIN verification, and your ID card verification. Once you have been able to do this, you are good to go. But if you still want to increase your transfer fund or your amount in which you need to be receiving more, which is more than 5 million and all of that, you can also decide to put in your address verification and increase your limit and then get started. So once you have been able to do all of these things, all you just need to do is to come back to your home page, and then you will come to see the benefit of using this particular app. One, it allows you to make airtime transfer, buy data, pay for bills, and then get a card, which is what we are going to be doing right now. It also gives you the opportunity to do an overdraft, and then you save your fund. All of these things are what you can be able to do with this particular app. But our main concern here in this particular video right now is how to create a card. All you just need to do is to first of all add some fund into your account by clicking on this add some fund. At least make sure that you have up to $10 into your account, and once you have up to $10, which is around 8,000 something right now, and you add your fund, all you just need to do is to click on add fund. You'll be able to see your Wema bank account, in which you can go to your phone or your bank app and do some transfer, and it will automatically appear on this your particular Raven app. And once you have been able to do that, all you just need to do is to come to this area here, which is this area called card. And once you click on it, you will see that this card allows you to make global payments across anywhere you want and all of that. And it's safe. All you just need to click on proceed, and once you click on the proceed, it will tell you that there is no active card on this particular place and you can create your first card. So all you just need to do is to come down below here where you see a plus sign. Just come down below here, you just click on add, and it will tell you which particular card you want to create. Is it a virtual card or a physical card? In this case, we don't want a physical card, we want a virtual card in which we can use in making online payments. So all I have to do is to click on the virtual card, and it tells me or asks me to choose the color of the card in which I want. All I have to do is to select the color in which I need in this particular card, and then I make use of it. Let me just use this last one, which is fine. So all I have to do is to click on proceed, and once I click on proceed, you see that the setup here would ask you that you should please provide the detail to be used to create your virtual card. So guys, all you just need to do is to put in the information that you want. Remember, in the card level aspect, you can put in your name if you wish to, But when it comes to the currency, remember it's a dollar card that we want to use so that we can use it to make online payment and all of that. And then you put in the amount you want to fund the card with. So I put in $10. Already I have $14 in my account. All I have to do is to put in $10 and I click on proceed. As you can see here, they say you need to have at least $12 in order for you to create this particular card. So all I have to do is to change it here and then put in at least $14 in order for me to be charged from it. So I'll click on proceed, and as you can see here, they say that your card title name is 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. That's my card title, and it's purple. As you can see here, they say that the amount in the card is $12, and the insufficient fee, which is the charge that I'll be charged, is $2. And as you can see here, they say naira equivalent is around 10,360 naira. So I need to ensure that I have this amount of money in order for me to click on the transaction. So once I come to the note aspect, the first thing I have to do is to click on this transaction authorization fee. Once I click on it, you see that in this card authorization fee, they are saying that the fee below will be charged by the card provider per transaction on your card. That is to say that if you do any transaction from $1 to $80, you'll be charged $1. Then from $81 to $150, you'll be charged $2. So all I have to do now is to go back again and then click on this button here to show that I have been able to read and confirm this particular transaction. So once I click on it, the next thing for me to do is to request for card. So as you can see now, I've been able to request for card, and you can see here they are asking me to enter a PIN, a 6-digit PIN, which I'll use for my transaction whenever I want to do my transaction. All I have to do right now is to put in my PIN in order for me to complete this particular transaction. And as you can see, guys, they say that my card has been created successfully, and you'll be notified when it's ready. All I have to do right now is to click on continue. My card has been created successfully, and I'll be notified immediately my card has been verified. So all I have to do is to wait patiently as my card is going to be created and it will appear here. So let me just wait patiently. So guys, as you can see right now, my card has been created. All I have to do is to click on this card. So guys, as you can see right now, if you click on the card here right now, you will see that my card has been created successfully. And if you look at the top here, you see that my balance is now $11. As you can see, I funded the card and they have deducted their $2 in which has been used for the charges to create the card. And if you look very well here, you will see that you can be able to add fund, and they say you can also withdraw from your card, and you can also view your card details and also view the transaction. For now, the withdrawal aspect with your card is not working at the moment. It will be open very soon, but you can be able to view your card details. When you click on your card details, you'll see your card details, and if you go back, you can also be able to view your transaction. If you look at the top here, you'll see the transaction where my virtual card has been funded with $11 and all of that. So guys, this is how you can be able to create your reverend virtual card in which you can use in making transaction online. So guys, this is it. All you just need to do is to follow the step-by-step guide as I showed you right now in this video, to be able to get this virtual card and start using it to make all your online transaction and payment, and then enjoy the best of revenue. If you got value from this video, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on the notification, and don't forget to subscribe. Please go to the comment section, type revenue, so that let us create an algorithm and make this video to go a long way. As I see you on my next video, stay safe. I love you all. Peace.